Welcome all. This is our lecture 29 and our today's topic is CSS Color Properties. In previous lectures we have learned what is CSS, how we will use it in our programs. Okay. Today today onwards we will learn about some properties as CSS is a bunch and CSS is a combination of many attribute values and many attributes associated with a single tag, and we can change many properties of a single tag. In this lecture we will change and we will use the color properties as well. So let's start our today's lecture. CSS colors. As you have listened one thing, that is RGB value, that is red, green and blue. These are the basic formula and the basic colors, and we will make our different colors with the combination of these. Here nowadays when you will use and you want to use your the color, then you will use this color property. You will directly put color colon and this value, whatever color you want to change, you directly write the name of that particular color. Okay, let's move further. Each parameter, that is red, green, blue, define the intensity of color between 0 to 255. It means every value have the value 0 to 255. It means take an example. Here a value RGB 255 0 and 0. It means displays it red because red is set its highest value and other one is set 0. So we can use or we can change our color by using this property, that is RGB value, and this is a example. You can use this type as well. Other type, you can use hex values, means hexadecimal equivalent of a color, that is has RR, GG and BB, red red, green green, blue blue, and the value will be between 00 to FF. Same and as in decibel, the value will lie between 0 and 255. Here in hexadecimal, the value will lie from 00 to FF. You can change the intensity of a particular color by using these values. As take an example, has FF0000 displays red color because red is set to high and all other are 0. To display black color, we will set all the values 0 like this. This will denote our black color. If you want to use a particular color, that is green, yellow, etc., you can use directly. But if you want any shade, any color combination, then you must use these values. This is the next type of values is 3-digit hex code. This is look like this, the 3-digit hex code can only be used when both the color red, green, blue are the same for each component. It means this is a type of writing when our RR same, GG same and BB same, then you can take only one value from the couple of values. As in this example, we have taken FF00CC. Here we have take only one single values as F0C. This will be used. Okay. The next one is HSL values, means hue, saturation and lightness. Hue is a degree of color wheel from 0 to 360. You all have seen the color wheel when you will choose your color in MS Paint or in whatever in other applications. You have seen a 360-degree wheel. Okay, so this is taken value from there. He in this wheel, 0 is for red, 120 for green and 240 for blue. Okay, same as the saturation is the percentage value. 0 means shade of gray and 100% is the full color. If you want to uh, make your color with a grayish shade or move the particular color to the black and white, so you can change this saturation value 0 to 100. Next one is lightness. As you all know, 0% is black, 50% neither light neither dark, and 100% is white. You can change this value and use this as HSL, hue value, saturation value and the lightness value. Here is a here it's a example. This is our example which show can you guess what type of CSS is used in this example? In this example, inline CSS is used. Just we have used CSS in a particular tag as well. Style, we have changed background color, colon, HSL and put the values of hue, saturation and lightness. The another value is also we will add an extra value with this HSL value, that is alpha A. And next one is HSLA value. The alpha parameter, take the value between 0.0 to 1.0. 0.0 means transparent and 1 not transparent to all. It means if we want to make any color transparent, then we can use these values. You have seen many examples, many real life examples of it, when there would be a color and the transparent value will be used, where there the text or any image was put on the screen, and upon that particular screen or that particular text or image, a shadow color will take over all that region, and the upper region and the inside region will both are visible to us. This could be happen, or this could be because of the alpha value. we can use this as HSLA, hue value, saturation value, lightness value, and the alpha value. Okay, if you want a particular color fully transparent, then you will use 0, and you will, if you want to no transparent, then you will use 1, or even if you want no transparent, then you can left this, you can use only HSL value. Clear this thing? So this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.